Welcome back to the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, everybody. Eric here. We today are going to work on the layout a little bit. This is going to be a general work session. You'll see me work on bench work on the main level. On the Corson subdivision between Garrettson and Corson and Brandon, South Dakota, we're installing around that peninsula there 1x2 bench work, and you'll see me lay a little bit of track on the Marshall sub north of Garrettson on that 3/4 turn helix that I put in a few weeks ago. And also you'll see me solder some feeder wires and run the first train up half the way up that 3/4 turn helix. That's all the track I've got laid right now. So let's get right to work.
Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, from the plains of the Sioux Empire to the heart of the hills.
So I had a lot of fun seeing that CNS 902 going halfway up that helix. It's nice and quiet, as I guess you'd expect. So here's where we're going to pull the pin on this particular episode. We hope you like the content here. If you did, smash that like button, leave us a comment down below, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.